Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Geology, a whole new way to understand our Mother Earth. Okay, so in this today's 7-minute numerical, we are going to discuss about one ore geology question asked in IIT-JAM 2022. Okay, and this is a very important question because we are expected to get such type of questions in IIT-JAM and even GATE also. Okay, so this is question number 50. So it is asking the cutoff grade of copper ore. Copper is 0.45 weight percentage. Okay, a mine has 1 million ton of waste with a grade of 0.25 weight percentage. Okay, then the mine also has a stock of high grade ore with a grade of 1.8 weight percentage. Okay, how much of this high grade ore in million ton must be blended with the waste to sell the blended ore at a grade of 0.5 weight percentage? So basically what actually happens in any kind of your industry, okay, where ore minerals are being extracted, okay, the average grade, not the average grade, the overall the grade of the ore, that is not same in all the cases from all. Okay, if this is actually a place, okay, this is one mine and you are extracting ore from this much of area, and it may be possible that the ore you get from this place will be high grade, and ore you just extract from this person is very low grade, and in between you get some intermediate. Okay, and in small patches you get very high grade. Okay, very high grade. So after just getting all the ores, okay, after getting all the ores, okay, or minerals, then what actually happens, the rock you just get, then you have to blend it with the waste. Okay, and you have to just make it to a particular grade below which this is not economic. Okay, below that you cannot just sell it. Okay, so that is the lower limit. Okay, if you just see from the economic point of view, that is the lower limit at which you will be able to extract those ore minerals at a profitable cost, and that is called your cut off grade. उसके नीचे अगर तुम्हारा मिल रहा है that the grade is below the cut off grade, then that is not economical viable. Okay, so यहाँ पर ये जो grading होता है, so इसको बोलते हैं grading. ओके, लो ग्रेड अभी हाई, बहुत ज़्यादा हाई ग्रेड उनके पास है, सो व्हाट दे विल हैपन, दे विल जस्ट मिक्स द हाई ग्रेड विद द इंटरमीडिएट और हाई ग्रेड विद द वेस्ट और हाई ग्रेड विद द लो ग्रेड टू जस्ट मेक इट some overall grade, make it the average cutoff grade. Okay, the average grade that will be higher from the cutoff grade. Okay, so you can see that in this question it is also given that from one place they are getting ore having grade of 0.25, this is low grade. ओके, 0.25 एक एरिया से मिल रहा है. लेट ये तुम्हारा वेस्ट है. ओके, दिस इज वेस्ट. ओके, इस यहाँ पर व्हाट इज द ग्रेड, दिस ग्रेड इज अराउंड 0.25 वेट परसेंटेज. ओके, एंड दे हैव ऑल्सो ए हाई ग्रेड ओर जिसका वेट परसेंटेज, जिसका ग्रेड 1.8 वेट परसेंटेज है. ओके, लेट दिस टू बी ओर. Okay, now you have to blend these two. Okay, this is 1.8, this is 0.25. You can see the cutoff grade is 0.45 weight percentage. Cutoff grade is 0.45, that means you have to make, okay, when you want to just sell these or minerals, then you have to just make the grade 0.45 or even higher. Okay, below this 0.45, then you cannot just sell it. Okay, you cannot just sell it, or that will not be economically viable. Okay, so this is high grade 1.8, this is low grade 0.25, and you have to mix these two to make a blended ore each average grade of 0.5. You can see 0.5 weight percent. We have to mix something from this one make something from this one, and we have to make it 0.5 weight percentage. Okay, and you can see that this 0.5 weight percentage, this is greater than the cutoff grade, that is 0.45. okay, so this solution or this question can be solved by a simple mass balance equation. Okay, simple mass balance equation. So it is telling that this is how much of the high grade ore must be blended with the waste to sell the blend. Okay, so a mine has 1 million ton of waste, 1 million ton. अभी ये this is your waste, ये कितना है 1 million ton, 1 million ton with एवरेज ग्रेड कितना है 0.25 वेट परसेंटेज. ओके, और इसमें कितना मिलियन टन हम ऐड करेंगे ये हमें पता नहीं है. लेट हम x मिलियन टन ऐड करेंगे, x मिलियन टन हम ऐड करेंगे, एंड इसका ग्रेड क्या है, दिस इज 1.8 वेट परसेंटेज. ओके, सो x मिलियन टन ऑफ द ओर with 1.8 weight percentage average grade, that will be blended with 1 million ton of the waste having grade of 0.25 weight percentage, and we have to make, okay, if we just blend it, then the whatever the overall the grade, the blended ore, it will have a grade of 0.5 weight percent. Okay, so what will be the volume, or what will be the like this is x million ton, this is 1 million ton, the blended. Okay, after blending what will happen, this will be 1 million plus of x million, this much of million of ore into 0.5 weight percentage. Okay, you just blend these two to get this one. Okay, so this is simple mass balance. यहाँ पर तुम्हारा x मिलियन टन है विथ इतना ग्रेड, यहाँ पर तुम्हारा 1 मिलियन टन है विथ इतना ग्रेड, एंड इफ यू जस्ट ब्लेंड देन व्हाट द मास इज कंजर्व्ड ना, 1 मिलियन टन यहाँ आ गया और x मिलियन टन यहाँ आ गया, एंड वट एवर द योर रिक्वायर्ड ब्लेंडेड ग्रेड इज 0.5 weight percentage. सो सिंपली इफ यू जस्ट कैलकुलेट x मिलियन टन क्रॉस ऑफ 1 million ton, sorry, this is x into 1.8. okay, 1 million ton plus of x into 1.8, 1 million ton into 0.25, that will give rise to 1 plus of x into 0.5. okay, if we just want to solve this one, this is 1.8x plus of this is 0.25 is equal to this is 0.5 plus of 0.5x. okay, so this is 1.8x, this is 0.5x, this is 1.8x minus of 0.5x, because if you just take it this side then that will be negative, and this is 0.5 minus of 0.25. okay, so 1.8 0.5 this is 1.3x is equal to 0.25, and finally x is equal to 0.25 divided by 1.3. okay, 0.25 by 1.3, the answer is, the ratio is 0.19230. okay, now the answer is round off to 3 decimal places. So what will be the answer? Then 0.192. okay, this x, what is this x? This million ton, because we have not just changed the units. okay, this is million ton, this is million ton. okay, this is simple the mass balance equation, that x million ton of your high grade ore with 1.8 weight percentage of average grade, that will be blended with the 1 million ton of your waste having grade of 0.25 to make a blended grade of 1 plus of x million ton having 0.5 average grade, okay, or average grade 0.5 weight percentage. So this question, how much of this high grade ore, and you can see that this x is the how this is the volume or the million ton of high grade ore, okay, how much of this high grade ore must be blended, okay, then this is the answer, 0.192 million ton of the high grade ore should be blended with the 0.25 grade of the waste in of 1 million ton waste to make a blended ore having a grade of your 0.5 weight percentage, okay. So see the answer, this is 0.192, okay. It has given some range, okay, but this range is the answer is falling within that range, okay. So I hope this makes a very clear idea about how to use the mass balance equation to solve these type of questions, because this mass balance equation is very much important in case of your isotope studies, okay. This isotope studies in stable isotope, the fractionation between the isotopes, okay, between the isotopes, then for that this mass balance equation is very much important, okay. And this is the solution, okay. Okay, thank you. Save our mother earth. And this is our Ask Geology group, and if you're interested to join our group, you can just simply call to these numbers, okay, any number of these, and you can simply text or just mail, put a mail to this Gmail ID, and there is one link provided in the description box where you can get our website, and you can just visit to our website, see all the details available there, okay. And we have our Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, all the groups, social media groups are also available there in the Ask Geology link tree. And there is one folder also provided where we have just put some selected books, okay, in particular subjects, so you can just download and you can just read those things, okay. So thank you, have a good day.